In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can name a range on your Excel sheet. So let's say this side here, you can give it a name. You get it. So anytime you're trying to work on it, you just use this section here and then you refer to the name. So now let me tap on this here. I've already named a part subs here. So when I tap on the subs, you can see it takes me to this lane, this column here. So let me show you guys how to do that. So to name a range, it's simple and easy. So let's say the names. I select the range here. You see it automatically A3, you get it? So you give it a name like names. Let me do it something like this. NMSCO. Press on enter and I'm done. You get it? So you can see when I tap on this here and I tap on this, it takes me to this side and I work on this side alone. You get it? When I tap on the subs, it takes me to this side and I work on it alone. So this is very much good with Excel. You can even be using this to refer to something like this. So let's say it's numbers here and you're trying to multiply this by this. So you're not going to be using the cell numbers. You just call this one them and then you give it a formula. You're good to go. It runs through. Simple as that. If it's a relative, you do it a relative formula. If it's an absolute, you give it the dollar signs and it runs through. Simple and easy. So that's it on how you can give or you name a range on Excel sheet. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. So that's it for the video. Peace.